Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and are you tired of not having enough outlets? Then try this 3-in-1. This is the GE UltraPro 3-outlet grounded adapter wall tap plug. It comes in the black color, which is perfect for any dark color walls, or if you're like me and you have a black wall. Not only is it 3 adapters, but it also plugs into a 3-hole plug, which has the grounding safety to it, so that way you know everything you plug into here is going to be secure as well. It just slides right onto your wall, so instead of having just 2 plugs, now you have 4 plugs, which it really is a lot when adding different things into your room, and you don't have to have an extension cord and all these other cords just hanging out. You just plug this in any spot that you need more plugs, and then everything else goes right in. If you need extra plugs for your wall, but you don't want to have to make it extra complicated, you don't want to have all these long cords, extension cords, stuff like that, go the really easy route. It's simple, it plugs right in, and you have 3 adapters in one. And that's my point of view.